Google Lens app is one of the most powerful tools on your phone, yet most people barely use it to its full potential. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Lens for almost anything, from identifying objects to copying text, translating languages, shopping smarter, and even solving everyday problems in seconds. Let's start with the basics. Google Lens is built directly into Google Search, Google Photos, and the Camera app on many Android phones. On iPhone, you can access it through the Google app. Just open the camera, point it at something, and let Google Lens analyze what you see. One of the most useful features is object identification. Point your camera at a plant, animal, gadget, or landmark, and Google Lens instantly tells you what it is. This is perfect for travel, learning, or satisfying curiosity in real time. Another powerful use is text scanning and copying. You can scan text from books, notes, or documents and instantly copy it to your phone or computer. You can even scan handwritten notes and turn them into editable text. Now here's where the Google Lens app becomes a productivity tool. Use it to translate languages instantly. Just point your camera at a sign, menu, or document, and Google Lens translates it live on your screen. No typing, no guessing. Google Lens is also amazing for shopping and price comparison. See a product you like? Scan it, and Lens will show similar items, online stores, and price comparisons. This helps you avoid overpaying and find better deals instantly. In the middle of all these features, the Google Lens app truly shines when solving problems. You can scan math equations, homework questions, or diagrams, and Lens will explain them step by step. It's a huge help for students and learners. You can even use Google Lens to search from screenshots, identify locations from photos, and find exact matches for images online. So whether you're studying, traveling, shopping, or just curious, the Google Lens app can save time, reduce effort, and make your phone much smarter. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.